Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up SMS marketing for your Shopify store using Klaviyo. So this is a simple process and I'll walk you through the important steps so that you can understand how to get everything connected and ready for SMS campaigns. So to get started, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and from here, look at the bottom left corner and click on settings. Once the settings page opens, select checkout. So this is where you can manage different options related to your store's checkout process. Next, scroll through the checkout settings until you find the section for marketing options. So in here, look for the options to enable SMS marketing and turn it on. Enabling this allows your store to use text messages as another way to communicate with customers who choose to receive them. After that, look for the SMS app option, click on it, and then Shopify will take you to the Shopify App Store where you can find third-party apps that support SMS marketing. You may see several different options here, so you can review their available features and pricing before choosing which one you want to use. But for this tutorial, we're going to use Klaviyo. So find the Klaviyo app and install it on your Shopify store, then follow the instructions shown during the setup process. The app will guide you through connecting it to your Shopify store and completing the required settings. And once Klaviyo is connected, follow the setup instructions to import your customer list and adjust your SMS settings. After everything is configured, you'll be ready to start creating SMS campaigns for your customers. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.